Welcome back to another really exciting video. Today I'm going to give you a free Premiere Pro countdown or timer title templates. So stay tuned. First you have to download this title. Go to description, you'll get that link to download. Anyway, just extract your RAR file and go to inside that extracted folder. Here you will get a 20 countdown a timer templates, also the font. Also first you have to install all these font. Now back to our templates, and we have to make sure this templates is a safer place. So I'm going to copy these templates into document folder, and I have already created a title. Now inside that, just create a new folder named countdown. It's up to you, it's not necessary, but we make sure these templates inside a safer place. That's why. Anyway, open your Premiere Pro and create a new sequence, and yeah, so as usual, and it's up to you the sequence resolution. It's up to you, your projects. And go to essential graphics window. Here we have to install. To install, click here, sorry, not here, click here and manage additional folders and click add button and just open our countdown folder. That's all. Then press OK. Now you can find our countdown folder here. See, all these 20 title countdown templates are here. Now I will show you how to adjust, how to manage all these titles. I just drag and drop one title countdown into the timeline. Here you can adjust your timing. It's all about seconds. If you want 1.5 minutes, and then just type 90 second. And also you can change the color and font size. Also you can change the stroke widths. Everything is possible to adjust. Totally, it's highly customizable countdown templates. And also you can change the size of this, and the second one, the insert circles, opacity, again the stroke widths, everything is you can control. And basically, yeah, you can customize this title completely. And here you can change the font color, font size, and the font style also you can change. Anyway, this is the basics. Now I'm going to tell you how to change the time. So go to Google and change seconds to minutes. So if you want a 4 minutes video or 4 minutes or 2 minutes, 3 minutes countdown, then yeah, you have to type 180 seconds. Or if you want yeah, it's up to you. So here you can convert like this, seconds to minutes. So if you want 50 minutes video countdown, then you have to type 3000 seconds. So you can convert this value like this, seconds to minutes. Anyway, now I'm going to show you another different titles included in this package. And these are very round countdown title templates. And also same, you can change the colors, title, font, and the duration, everything you can control. And the same thing in a different versions. That's all. So make sure you have already installed that Premiere Pro 2020 or above versions, because it's latest essential graphics template. That's why might be not working in the older version of Premiere Pro. And yeah, here you can change the gradient colors and everything added. And if you have any problem, please comment it below. So stay tuned for more videos.